So we're determining quadratic rules. So we're going to look at this graph right here, and we have to determine what the rule is for it. The first thing we have to identify is the key feature. And this time, it's this turning point right here. We've been given the turning point of this quadratic. So that means the rule, the general form of the rule that we're going to use here is this. Y is equal to, don't forget the dilation factor. We have to figure out what that dilation factor is going to be. Then x minus h squared plus k. So this is in our turning point form. And we know that h and k here is going to be my turning point. So that means it's going to be y is equal to a x plus 3 squared plus 2. Important to remember, this is very important, that when you're considering the x value of your turning point, you have to swap the sign around. If you don't do that, you're going to get it wrong. All right, next, I'm going to have to figure out what this a is going to be. So what is my dilation factor? What I'm going to do is sub in my other point. So I'm going to sub in this point right there. So sub in 0, 20 to solve for a. So that means I'm going to put 20 in my y spot. I'm going to put 0 in my x spot, like this, plus 2. 20 is going to be equal to a. Now this will be 9 plus 2, so it's 20. I might actually bring that, no, let me keep right. 9a plus 2. I'll minus 2 to both sides. Then I'll divide both sides by 9. Therefore, my a is going to be equal to 2. So that means now I can write what my final answer is going to be. Therefore, y is going to be equal to, into my a spot, I'm going to put a 2. And then it's going to be x plus 3 squared plus 2. And just like that, I have my answer. Let's give that a highlight. There it is right there. There is my answer.